Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and we're headed to the grocery store. I am taking you on an adventure with me on my Mooncool TK2 Pro electric trike. We're gonna hit the store and I'm gonna bring you along. Got some grocery shopping to do. So let me show you my setup and then we're gonna get going. All right, got my helmet. I've got in the basket, I got the cargo net. I have my Aldi bag. It fits perfect in there. Battery is charged. And we are getting ready to roll. So give me a second and we'll get moving. Right, we're riding down the main street in my town, and due to safety concerns, I stay on the sidewalk. That is a main 2-lane each direction, but I'm only going like a block and a half, and I only have to cross 2 intersections, which makes it nice and easy. My sidewalks aren't the best, but you know, this is what we do. And there's Aldi, our destination. Unhook our bags. I'm so surprised how well that bag fits in there. And we don't need a lot of groceries, so we should be doing okay. As a side note, oh, look at all the fall. Sweet potato chips, caramels, pretzels. Oh my gosh. I want all this. Can I have any of it? No. Let's look at this. Guys, I'm dying. If you have an Aldi near you, I highly recommend you get in. The pink ghost blankets. I think I could make one of these at my pottery class. And look at the mug. Okay. This was not a walkthrough of Aldi, but I can't help it. The aisle of shame gets me every time. All right, and so far I have freeze-dried strawberry packs for my lunches, some dill pickles, some olives, and pork rinds. That's what we got so far. All right, we are all done shopping. That was quick. I did not need a terribly large amount of items, so this is full. Let's see how she does. I should set up my tripod. Hold on. All right, we got her in. Plenty of room, and there's plenty of stretch here, so I could have put a lot more in there, but for now that's all we got. Let's move on. All right, we are headed back from Aldi. I am telling you, this is like the best ride. These big fat tires kind of keep the bouncing and bumping to a minimum. I have a lot of control because of the back 2 wheels on a trike. You've got a lot of balance, so I don't feel like I am in any way gonna fall. Yeah, there's a little bit of a learning curve. You do have to deal with the people who insist on parking in the crosswalk, but not a big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and cross, and that's it. I just have to cross 2 streets to get home, which I think is pretty awesome. And like I said, I'm on a main thoroughfare in my town. I'm riding on the sidewalk. It's not exactly how I'm supposed to do this, but it's the safest way for me. Maybe we should stop at the farm stand. What do you think? We'll take a look at the farm stand. All right, guys, this right here is my farm stand. that is right by my house. I live about a block from here. And it's a local farm here in Ohio, and they get their own corn that they grow. Ooh, I'm going through mud. And they bring in all kinds of fresh produce, and they're here all summer long. We're home, safe and sound, and had a fantastic ride. I'm telling you, the freedom this gives me to be able to get out and do what I want to do is life-changing. Hope you enjoy. Bye.